I'll be back with the results, okay? Caesar, I'm sorry to say, but you are obese.
But why, doctor? Why?
I'll tell you why, Caesar. You see here, some symptoms that you have can be skin rashes, being overweight, having insomnia, or having back pain, and or in the joints. The reasons why many Americans are obese is that there's a lack of exercise in the US. People do not burn the total calories that they eat, so they'll lose weight. Also, Americans walk less than any other country, and at the end of the day, 80% of all Americans don't get enough exercise. Some eating habits in America is that 1 out of 4 people eat some type of fast food every day. Americans spend 10% of their income on fast food, and Americans believe that calories you eat is how much weight is made. For the weight loss, Americans spend around $20 billion on dieting, and nearly all dieters gain the weight that they lose in about 1 to 5 years. What you can do about obesity is to educate others about the formula on how much calories are consumed and how much calories are used up. Also, you must engage more in physical activity to benefit your health, as well as making healthier choices rather than fast food. So Caesar, all you need to do is be more active to benefit your health, also making healthier choices.
At this moment, I knew I had to do something.